We are surrounded by the smallest subspecies of reindeer at the moment, undisturbed by our presence. The Svalbard reindeer, this is an endemic species to this region, and we are in a beautifully lush tundra, and they're just going after everything that they can get. And getting up close, you can see everything of the little details of the change from their winter to their summer coat. That more dark gray and brown that they have after they've shed their beautiful white coat that they have in winter. And also, of course, the fuzziness to their antlers. An amazing species, perfectly adapted for an environment like this. They obviously have tons of food around, but living in a cold, extreme environment doesn't come easy.
The reindeer were just so unexpected. We were focused on the king eider duck, and I thought we were going to the top of the hill just to get a better look at the ducks. And as soon as we got up there, the reindeer were there, and they were so close. They didn't seem disturbed by us, but they were looking at us and just making eye contact. It was just amazing. We tried to let them leave and they kept coming back. And at one point they just stuck their head over a rock. It was like they weren't done with us. It was just such an unexpected moment that I started crying. To have come away from our work, from everything else happening in the world, and to be standing here in the middle of nowhere watching these reindeer just watching us and having this really intimate moment was breathtaking.
That was amazing. That was so cool.
And they wouldn't let us leave.
They wouldn't let us leave. They're still here. Such an amazing way to spend the afternoon here at Russebukta with amazing lush vegetation and tundra and all the giant herbivores that are out here to eat it.